Good morning, everyone. Last lecture we will discuss about the PERT project evaluation and review technique, and today we will discuss about the project management software means PMS. Okay, what is PMS and introductions, applications of PMS and such types of PMS means project management softwares and MS Excel, MS Project, Primavera and Price means open source softwares. Then BIM, main part of BIM project management. Okay, इझी टॉपिक आहे आपला हा. सगळ्यांनी सॉफ्टवेअर रिलेटेड काय असेल ते बघा. ओके, मेन प्रोजेक्ट मॅनेजमेंट सॉफ्टवेअर हे काय तर इंजिनिअरिंग मेनी सॉफ्टवेअर प्रोजेक्ट. ओके, fail due to faulty project management practices, and it is important to learn different aspect of software project management. Okay, first topic for introduction to project management software. Screen is visible. Okay, first main part of project management software. The software used to control a computer means there are different type of software that can run on computers means system software, utility software, and application softwares. Okay, main project management is the companies based project cost management companies and the project cost management process for the companies. There are the 5-6 companies for the project management. Okay, then goals of the software project management means enable a group of engineers to work efficiently towards successful completion of software project. Okay, means project cost management is the process of estimating, budgeting, and controlling costs throughout the project life cycle. Okay, then main part of the project management software. Project management software PMS is a software that helps to plan, organize, and manage resource tools and develop resource estimates. Okay, means depending on the cybernetics of the softwares, it can manage means estimation and planning, scheduling, cost controlling, budget management, resource allocation, collaborative work, communication, decision making, quality management, and documentation and administration tasks. Means processing of estimating, budgeting, controlling costs throughout the project of life cycle with the objectives of keeping expenditure with the approval budget. Means for a project to follow successful, it is necessary that it deliver on the requirement and scope. Selection process. Second is the process of selecting project management software. Okay, professional built prescription about a tool based on. Third, specific reference such as feedback from colleagues, vendor, computer revision घेतोय आपण. Okay, marketing material expansion throughout the trial or demo and cost consideration. Okay, main best project cost management software is the companies use the project cost management software to monitor the probability of the project they deliver. Okay, these softwares allow the business to estimate the cost of delivery different type of project means identify actual costs and compare them to calculate profit. Then project cost management software uh, is used by project manager and project control officers to ensure a project do not exceed estimated cost. Means accountants also use this type of software to monitor the cost per project or the type of resources. Okay. Then next slide. Project can be characterized by every project may has unique and distinct goal. Then second, project is not root activity or day-to-day operation. Third, project comes with start time and end time. And then project ends when its goal is achieved, since it is a temporary phase in the lifetime of organization. And last is the project needed adequate resources in terms of time, manpower, finance, material, and knowledge bank. Means the quality of influence in the project cost management category project means allow the companies to define the standard cost for resources and activities, and the create project budget using the estimate and the standard cost. The cost per activity means calculate the cost for project or customer, and then the comparison the budget and actual cost per project. Okay. Main definition, write down project management software. Write down the project management software definition. PMS is a software that helps to plan, organize, and manage the resource tools and develop resource estimates. Important definition for project management software. PMS is software that helps to plan, organize, and manage resource tools and develop resource estimates. Project management software. Then rules of software project manager. First, project planning, reporting. Project planning, responsible for planning, estimating, and scheduling project development. Okay, and assigning people to tasks. Means software is to control compute. There are different type of software that can run on the computer system. Means system softwares utility software and application software. Okay. Second, reporting, responsible for reporting of a project to customer and the other manager, right? Concise, coherent core documents that abstract critical information from the detailed project reports. Third is risk management, assess the risk that may affect the project, monitor this risk and take action when problem arise. These are rules of software project management. Fourth is people management, means the responsible for management a team of people, means choice of people for their team and establish ways of working and lead to effective term of performance. Okay. Fourth is proposal writing. Proposal writing. The first stage is the software project. Okay. Then involving writing proposal to win a contract. Then including cost and schedule estimate for the project, schedule estimate and justify why the project should be awarded to them. Role of project management. The project manager play the lead role in planning, executing, and monitoring, controlling, and closing out project. They are accountable for entire project scope, the project team and resources, the project budget, and success or failure of the project. Then risk management. Risk management involves the anticipating risks that might affect the project, means scheduling or the quality of the software being developed and taking action to avoid this risk. There are three related categories of risk. Means first is the project risk, second product risk, and third business risk. Okay. Risk first project risk that affect the project schedule or resources. Second product risk, means risk that affect the quality or performance of the software being developed. Okay. Third is business risk that affect the organization development or producing the software. Okay. Third, risk management example. First risk example, staff turnover, requirement changes, and product competition. Okay. Example first is the staff turnover affects project and description. Experienced staff will leave the project before it is finished. And the requirement changes affect project and product. There will be large number of changes to requirement than anticipating. And third risk, the product competition, the affect the business. A competitive product is marketed before the system is completed. Okay, means manager job, means project manager innovation is required to be successful. The most important for the project management, the nutrient and environment where the team can innovate. Okay, means the business project management, communication with team and stakeholder throughout the project and focus on solving problems and creating the space for failure. Why there is a need of project management software? Large companies are constantly working on numerous projects. There are a big team of people and few leaders responsible for making each project successful and over, and as more people become involved in project management and not using a software program, this can be quite challenging to accomplish a project. There are many things that have to be performed in well organized manner. Is responsible for completing the assigned work on the project is during the execute phase. Okay. This may include design, building, testing, against requirement, operational assessment, and implementation activities. Means the identify the risk and opportunity through the project. Means then may help in formulating the appropriate responsible to these. Okay. Challenges faced by construction companies means productivity, agility, and feasibility and efficiency. First, software for project management software. मी तुम्हाला व्हिडिओज पण दाखवते. प्रोजेक्ट पीएमएस चे मायक्रोसॉफ्ट ओपन सोर्स कुठले आहेत. ओके. सॉफ्टवेअर रिलेटेड युट्यूब व्हिडिओ पण त्याचं प्रायमरी काय असते, मायक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल मध्ये कुठले कुठले आपण अपडेटिंग करतो वगैरे. ओके. मोस्ट पॉप्युलर वन्स इन मायक्रोसॉफ्ट प्रोजेक्ट एमएसपी, प्रायमवेरा अँड मायक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल. फ्री सॉफ्टवेअर एक झालंय एक्सेल. हा तुम्हाला मी युट्यूब मध्ये दाखवेन एक 5-5 मिनिटाचे. मायक्रोसॉफ्ट प्रोजेक्ट लास्ट टाइम आपल्याला झालेला आहे हा. मी जस्ट रिव्हिजन घेत होते. एक्सेल, मायक्रोसॉफ्ट प्रोजेक्ट, ओके, एमएसपी. What is Microsoft project? Microsoft project or MSP is a project management software program developed by Microsoft. It is designed to assist project manager, okay, developing plans, assignment resources to task, tracking progress, and managing budgets and analyzing workload. Feature description. Project management creates budget based on assignment work and resource rates. Resources, people, equipment, and material. And then resources can be shared between projects using a shared resource pool. Means project management is the each resources can its own calendar which define what days and shifts the resource is available. Okay. Then limitations of project management, uh, Microsoft project. Okay. MS project premiums additional physical raw material are always available without limit. Since Microsoft project is the project management software, the product development and solid by Microsoft. Then it is designed to assist the project manager in developing a schedule and assigning the resources to task, tracking progress and managing the budget and analyzing the workloads. Okay. Microsoft project offers robust management tools with the right blends of usability, power, and flexibility. And that's why you can manage the project more efficiently and effectively. Microsoft project enable you to stay informed and control, means the project work, schedule, finance, and to keep project team aligned. Since Microsoft project with the team means it is included in the Office for Windows and suits for so users who already pay for Office for Windows can use the project for free. Okay, means if you happen to the student in the activity college's email ID address and then Microsoft team along with the Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. are free to use. Okay, means the Microsoft Office for the free software. The project mapping, the project map can help to accomplish your project goals by using accepted standard and practices of project management methodologies. Okay. The project map outlines the 3 phases of the project lifecycle: build a plan, track, manage a project, close a project. First, build a plan. Build a plan activities, define a project plan, project activity, plan for project procedure resource, plan project cost, plan for quality and risk, plan communication and security, optimize the project plan, print and distribute project information. Main project Microsoft project is the project management software in that is a product development and solid with Microsoft. Means it is the is designed to assist project management in developing, scheduling, assigning, and resource to tasks, and tracking the progress and managing the budget, analyzing the workload. Main Microsoft project management is the company's third Microsoft Windows-based application within few years after the launch because the domain PC based on project management software. Then Primavera, the main part of the project management software. First is the Primavera. Primavera was launched in 1983 by Primavera System Image, acquired by Oracle Corporation in 2008. Okay. And main Primavera software includes the project management, product management, okay, collaboration, control capabilities, integrates with the enterprise software. It is main Primavera used for Primavera is the enterprise the project portfolio management software. Okay, means it is includes project management, scheduling, risk analysis, means the opportunities management and resources management, collaborating controlling capabilities. Okay, and integrating with enterprise software. Okay, with other enterprise software such as Oracle and SAPs and ERP systems. Okay, main Primavera, the version of the status in email update means the main features of the Oracle Primavera uh, are the Primavera P6 Enterprise, the project portfolio management means EPPM, and Primavera P6 Professional Project Management PPM. The main हा सॉफ्टवेअर्स आहेत Primavera and Price. हे पूर्ण टॉपिक मध्ये सॉफ्टवेअर रिलेटेड हा टॉपिक आहे. प्रोजेक्ट मॅनेजमेंट सॉफ्टवेअर सच एज MS Excel, MS Project Management, Primavera and Price, and ओपन सोर्स सॉफ्टवेअर हे दोन्ही तुम्हाला आणि BIM हे 3-4 सॉफ्टवेअर्स आहेत. त्याचे युट्यूब व्हिडिओ पण तुम्हाला दाखवेन ऍक्च्युअल काय असतंय ते. ओके, आधी ते जे थेरी आहे त्याच्यानंतर आपण एक एक व्हिडिओ बघत जाऊया आपण. Okay, main features of the version of Oracle Primavera, the project status email updates, multiple projects management and risk management, multi-user access, information dashboard, Gantt chart, okay, and real-time reporting analytics. Means the Primavera P6 and the project portfolio management and Primavera P6 professional project management PPM. Okay, short form लक्षात ठेवा. Primavera P6 enterprise MCQ क्वेश्चनला तुम्हाला एक्झामला पण विचारतील, फायनल आणि टेस्टला पण विचारतील. ओके, EPPM मीन्स एंटरप्राइज प्रोजेक्ट पोर्टफोलिओ मॅनेजमेंट अँड PPM मीन्स Sorry, network issue. Okay. Then main Oracle Primavera P6 is the software provides all necessary tools and features which helps to manage your project entire life cycle. Means it can be used from small to large scale project and complete the cloud based solution backed by the power of Oracle. Means in project management for Primavera, the project man process can be organized into the five Oracle five more processors is the initial processor, planning processor, controlling, executing processor, and closing processor. Means the primary is the project management tool. Project management tool which used for planning, organizing, securing, and managing the resources that are needed to complete the project on time without budget. Okay, means Primavera software is used for managing the organizing program and projects effectively and irrespectively of the complexity of the project. Like you can manage one project and you can scale this up to the 200 project. Means Primavera P6 scheduling the fundamentals. Okay, and then resource and cost control management and risk management and contract management and reporting. Okay, scheduling fundamentals of critical activities means duration, logical relationship means the P6 uses the CPM mathematical algorithm to calculate the total project duration. Okay, I mean simple schedule for the Primavera P6. Schedule of managing with Primavera P6. Primavera P6 consists of the series of processes designed to help managing the timely completion of the project. In the below are the project for successful construction schedule management, and then defining, publishing, and monitoring. First, schedule for management with the Primavera P6. The defining the schedule is the first step in construction schedule and management that includes gathering project information to build up the schedule. Main they start with creating the WBS. Well, created WBS is key for the quality of schedule. Then next step in the define the activities. Then the project team defines the activity dependence. Logical relationship means note that there are four types of relationship: FS, SS, SF, and FF. FS means finish to start, SS means start to start, SF means start to finish, and FF means finish to finish. After that, the team estimates the duration of each activity by employing the estimation methods. Means finally, the project team draw the project network diagram and calculate the critical path of the project. Then second, publishing. In part of scheduling management, second part is publishing. Publishing the schedule has some basic steps such as negotiation the schedule with stakeholder and getting approval. Means once all the people have agreed and the team has completed the schedule, it will be published and stored as schedule baseline. Okay. Third point is the monitoring. Monitoring the schedule involves the determining the current status of the project and making performance calculation to understand how the project is performing. Okay. Main part for the scheduling of the three defining and publishing and monitoring. Benefits of the using Primavera. Primavera is the best software for project management in the benefits of using Primavera P6. Reduce the complexity, reduce the risk. Okay. Then uh, better visibility, better communication, forecasting activities. Primary P6 is professional software is likely to the most used construction project management software. The free software Primary P6 is the project management software package are around today. The Primavera P6 is down process will do download a free trial of Primavera P6 project management. Okay. Microsoft software, Microsoft project versus Primavera. Okay. Primavera is the enterprise, the project portfolio management software. It includes project management, scheduling, risk analysis, opportunity management, resource management, collaboration and control capabilities. Okay, and integrate with the other enterprise software such as Oracle and SAP ERP. Okay, then difference between the Microsoft and Primavera. Hmm. Then first function is the multiple user access. The Microsoft project it does not allow the multiple users to work on a single project at that same time. And Primavera is the yes. Okay. Then second is multiple users access. This Microsoft project is users can view multiple projects at same time, and then second Microsoft project for steps where Microsoft project does have the options, and Primavera helps to users to create sub activities of an activity. It has a weightage that can be used to derive percentage completion for activity as the steps are marked off complete marked completion. And then columns, if my Microsoft project there are only around the 40 columns, means then only Microsoft project for columns is 40 columns, and Primavera it comes the installation over the 200 columns, is giving you different information, means column categories includes EVM and budget cost, etc. Okay. Then multiple activity relationship, only one relationship can be made between activity, and the primary same activity can have multiple relationship. Then project website, Microsoft Office is now not available, and the Primavera creates comprehensive website comprising all the project details, including resource report, risk, WBS, and more than the user can define. Okay. Then multiple project creation and tracking, means multiple project can be created and viewed, means multiple project creation, tracking will the project be compression cost and unit calculation are possible. Write down the Microsoft 2, 3, 4 points. Write down Microsoft project and versus and Primavera. wait, last definition for Microsoft. नहीं नहीं बेटा हाँ Microsoft. What is Microsoft project? Write down the Microsoft project definition. Write down. Main basic Microsoft and Primavera difference between the key difference means the key difference between Primavera and MS project software is that the Primavera software is the database software, whereas the MS project office means Microsoft project is a file based software. Okay, इतना याद रखना प्राइमेरा सॉफ्टवेयर किस लिए यूज करते हैं the database software and MS project is the file based software means the Primavera is a more powerful software in comparison to Microsoft software. It reduce the project risk. Okay, and then project Microsoft project and Primavera is the database project management software means the Microsoft project management software is file based project management software. It supports unique ID features and helps project using ID systems. Okay, MSP short form भी याद रखना. Microsoft project means short form MSP project management software program developed by Microsoft. Then next definition Primavera. Write down definition of Primavera. Primavera is the enterprise project portfolio management software. Okay. Project portfolio management software. Then main important लिहून घ्या तेवढंच. Microsoft project and Primavera. MSP versus Primavera. Then best practices when to choose Primavera P6. If working in project or multiple projects and you are requiring to computerize every detail of your project, go for Primavera P6. Okay. When to choose Primavera P6 and when to choose MS project. Best practices. Second is the MS project. If working on single project that does not require record details other than the activity schedule and resources list and assignment details, go for the MS project. Then only its introduction to the project management software, the application for such Excel, MS Excel. Wait, next शॉर्ट व्हिडिओ दाखवते एक 5 मिनिटाचं. आपलं सेकंड त्यामधलंच आहे 4 टॉपिक मधला हा जस्ट आपण बघितलं ते इंट्रोडक्शन होता. इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ मायक्रोसॉफ्ट प्रोजेक्ट. 5 मिनिट व्हिडिओज. प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट application in Excel. 4 topic main project management software such as MS Excel, MS Project, Primary and Price, and open source softwares. Listen video.
Let me share with you this easy-to-use application for tracking projects. It also helps in the decision-making process by converting basic data into information into knowledge. So let's take a look at the tool and start with an overview. The tool has 3 main sheets. One to
This application for project management software. First is the MS Excel and short video is 5 minutes baga.
enter basic data like projects, tasks, dates. Another one to view the data in an organized way and generate information from the data. And a third one to convert information into knowledge through dashboards. So let's go in more details, and I will start by adding new data. And I'm just going to choose adding a new task for project 1 phase 2. And I could just start typing, or a lot easier to just copy a row, paste it, and just change the information that we need to change. So let's say the new task would be review with client. And everything else stays the same. We're just going to change the dates for this task. And let's say we're going to start it on the 15th of April. And it's going to end on, let's say, the 19th of April. And because this task hasn't started yet, I'm just going to put 0 for the percentage done. You've probably noticed by now that it's very difficult to get any information out of the data in this format. And that's why we move to the second sheet, where we can view the data in an organized way and gain information from this data. So let me show you what I mean. We can see the projects, the phases of the project, and all the tasks related to that project. And by the way, this is a task we just added. We can also take advantage of all the information, the new information that was generated. So for example, phase 1 of project 1 is at 100%, phase 2 is at 43%, and therefore the whole project is at 69%. Another new information is the colored flags next to each task indicating the status of the task: past due, late, or on time. The one we just added now doesn't have a flag because it hasn't started yet. Now, if you have a lot of projects, you can filter the information to see the portion that you are interested in. For example, I can view the projects for client X and see the status of the projects for that client. Now, so far, we've seen how to enter the data, view it in a meaningful way, and now it's time to get some insights regarding the projects through the dashboards. Now, for example, this dashboard tells us about the tasks that are due this week, or the tasks that are due next week. Now, for the tasks that are due this week, the owners of the tasks will automatically receive a reminder email to tell them that their task is due this week. Another dashboard is this table that gives us the following information. If a project is late, how late? So, for example, let's take project 3. It's at 72%. It should be at 82%, and therefore it's late by 10%. Now, the pie chart on the right here tells us the percentage of the projects that are incomplete, late, or on time. Now, to recap, we have seen how easy it is to use this application to track projects, and how basic data was converted into information and ultimately into knowledge for better decision making. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or need more information, .com.
Every company will be a tech company in the future, and data will be
Thank you for joining me today. I'm Minda Tracy, and I'll be taking you through how to build the interactive Excel dashboard that you see.
Okay, next point, project management software. Second point, open source software. Okay, open source software, the program provided structure around all aspects of open source software. This includes strategy and process around software selection, approval, usage, distribution, audit, and inventory, training, community engagement, and public communication. Okay, what is source? Source code is the version of software as it is originally written by a human. In plain text means the term software refers to all operating system application program. The source code can be written in any of programming language, C++, Java, वगैरह. Okay, it to be usable by the computer. Source code must be complete, means compile source code means C++ हे तुमचा source code आहे. Then what is open source software? Promotes free redistribution and access to product design or idea and implementation details. Then open is collaborating is open. The source is the free available, means the share, adaptate, modify, and collaborate. Then it is free. No, free here is a freedom, not free is the terms of price, means every free software is not open source. Every open source software is not free, means the some softwares are open source as well as free. Then free and open source project management software for your small business, means first is free. फ्रीडम कॅप हा जो सांगते तुम्हाला प्राइम वेरा वगैरे हे फ्रीडम कॅप हे त्याचे सब पॉइंट आहेत. तर मेन पॉइंट हा आहे की ह्यातला प्राइम वेरा सॉफ्टवेअरचा एक सांगायचंय तुम्हाला. ह्याच्या अगोदर तोच आहे तो पार्ट. ओपन सोर्स सॉफ्टवेअरच्या अगोदर प्राइम वेरा आहे. त्याचा एक 5 मिनिटाचा व्हिडिओ बघून हा स्टार्ट करूया आपण. ओके, मी शेअर करेन 1 मिनिट. प्राइम वेरा शेअर स्क्रीन. how to download and install the Primavera PC Professional Project Management. Short video बघून घ्या. P6 और Project Primavera and Oracle त्याचे सॉफ्टवेअर्स आहेत ते प्रोजेक्ट मॅनेजमेंट रिलेटेड त्याचे 5-5 मिनिटाचे व्हिडिओ बघून घ्या.